Oh, hi there. We're going on a weekend trip. Tag along. We got food. Snadeloaf for Silja. And I have a pizza. So good. Was it any good? We're all filled up and now we are heading to Kjerag. It is so much fog as we drive up these roads, and the pictures and the b-roll we are taking from the car does not make it doesn't make it any justice at all. It is so beautiful. This is a quick stop because this building behind me just looks incredible, so that's a good reason for stopping. This is a really traditional building for the area we are in, so we really wanted to stop and share it with you guys. And now we are continuing our road trip. Worried about the next road? Yeah! We have found a camp spot for tonight. We are just going to sleep in the car because it is going to rain heavily, so we'd rather stay in the car than sleeping in the tent. We have always thought a car was like a little bit too small for camping, but it's actually the right size. This is way more comfortable than the car we were camping in Australia. We can actually sit upright. And we also decorated the car. Celia there. Good morning. It is a little bit before sunrise and we just woke up. It is a little bit cold, so we'll just get the car packed and then start driving so we can get some heat up. All packed, and now we're going to drive and find some toilets. we started our hike. We are approximately like a little bit less than 2 kilometers into it, and we have 3K left. The hills are really steep here, so that's why the heavy breathing. But it's so beautiful up here. It's really a nice hike. We're almost at the cliff.
You go again without remorse, without heart. In your head, you're right, but in my head, you are the bad. I wanna show to the world that you're the bad one. You was being bad. That use all my love, use all my time, use all my heart.
We decided to get a little bit away from Kjeragbolten because it was way too crazy over there. It's so many tourists. So we had like 500 meters probably, and we found this really quiet spot with an incredible view.
Cause I don't love you, boy. I wanna show to the world that you're the bad one. You always being bad. You begging me to come out with you. I don't know, I'm fine without you. You begging me to come out with you. I don't know, I'm fine without you.
Has the best outfit in the world. I have a really nice outfit as well. Anyways, we're going to eat some tacos and then we're going to drive home. These tacos are so good. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you aren't already. And see you in our next video.
Där kommer det åen så här. Kan jag se jättedockor här? Flyttdockor då! Oh my god. Flytt. Du kör på han. Nej. Fan. Han är sur.
Mr. Sau, du må nesten flytte deg.
Ah!
Hallo, flytt deg. Hey, move.
Kjører på den sølen nå. Hello, my name is Silja, and I am Caroline's girlfriend. And with this headband, I look like a fat people.
Fat people, so you are more than one?
Yes, with this cheek, just look. Hello. Coffee. It is the best thing in the morning. If not, I can't wake up, but now the animal is unleashed. Ah!